What's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at the awesome new product that is made by Dreame. This is the Z1 Pro with the LiFi controller. Now, with this particular unit, it is app controlled. This is going to change your entire atmosphere when it comes to your experience of keeping your pool clean with next generation technology. Let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed so we can pull out, look at the contents. We've got our manual. Got our charging cable, USB Type-C, which looks like that's going to be for our LiFi controller here, down on the bottom. Our recovery hook. Oh, buddy. You guys want to talk about awesome. This thing is an absolute monster. I got to bring you in for a closer look on this thing. Now, what you guys are going to notice right off the bat, there are sensors all over this unit. This thing is slick. Capable of moving 8,000 gallons per hour. That's 30 cubic meters. This thing has the ability to skim the floor, vertical, and the water line. Easy access for the water basket. This item really is plug and play. All right, so before we drop it in the pool, I want to show you guys real quick here. So on this, where it says cleaning setting, so we have it set for standard. We have a total of 4 options. So standard is all three of the settings. You've got floor only, walls only, and water line focus. So for the initial actual startup, I'd probably recommend standard. And then it will also gives you on the corner there, the battery life as far as for your charge. So if you're curious about it, this is the latest tech when it comes to the pool cleaning. I highly encourage checking this guy out because this thing is fantastic. All right, guys, first time ever, the actual installation as far as adding this onto the mobile application. Make sure that you have the app called Dreame Home. Power on our unit. We've got the light. We got a blinking blue. There's a QR right here. Scan this guy. And now we're gonna have to connect our Wi-Fi. All right, so now that we've got the Wi-Fi password set up, we're gonna go ahead and press the secondary button that says to press and hold it for 5 seconds. Now it says searching. There it is. That is our unit. Next. That is sweet. Finish.
Now this thing is going to perceive your pool, which is pretty darn awesome.
If you guys haven't seen this yet, not only do you have app control, but this thing comes along with a remote. So if you happen to be swimming in the pool and there's an area that needs some attention, you can use this right here to click on that spot, navigate this guy. Real time. Let's go ahead and get this thing dropped in the water and we're gonna press start. The Dreame Z1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner with the LiFi remote controller is going to deliver an impressive 8,000 gallons per hour of suction power. What does that actually equate to? Let me break it down for you. This thing is equipped with 2 brushless drive motors and 2 brushless pump motors. It is packed with a 9,600 milliamp lithium ion battery that is going to give you up to 4 hours of continuous use with safe bottom cleaning. And on top of that, you're going to be able to clean 2,160 square feet of swimming pool space. So for that seamless pool area, this thing is going to cover every square inch. And on top of that, you're going to have the peace of mind that when the battery is completely drained, you're going to be able to charge this thing within 6 hours and be right back up and running again. It is incredibly efficient and extremely easy to use. And best of all, you can also connect this to your Dreame Home app, which I'll tell you what, I'm in love with their products. I've been using it for a while. As soon as I got my hands on this thing, it has changed my entire atmosphere of my living space with my swimming pool.
So when it comes to next generation technology, with the simplicity of keeping your pool crystal clear, this unit is going to deliver. Best of all, let's not forget to mention that this is perfect for both above ground and below ground swimming pools. So whether you have fresh water or you're using salt water, this thing is corrosion resistant and is going to be able to handle the entire environment to get your silt and your debris and whatever else might be in the bottom side. Because I'll tell you what, when I ran this thing, it even picked up some of the grout that had come off of the tiling in my pool that I'm going to be repairing that I didn't know was there. So, hands down, I got to say thank you, Dreame, because I've got a little more attention that I can finally focus on. Now, I also want to mention the LiFi handheld rechargeable remote controller is an absolute game changer. I've had experiences in the past with these robotic vacuums where you drop it in the pool, and at that point, it just has to run by itself. Dreame introduced this unit with this LiFi controller to give you the convenience of doing spot cleaning. And on top of that, you can also move this to different areas of your pool. It utilizes a green light that has a sensor on the top of the pool cleaner itself that when you point this thing, press the button, and it's going to be able to give you that control of the unit and navigate it around your pool seamlessly. This thing is absolutely a game changer. It gives you effortless horizontal waterline cleaning that's 50% enhancement over the rest of the compared cordless pool cleaners. And I can tell you right now, that is 100% a fact. So not only does it give you edge-to-edge cleaning technology to cover every square space of your pool, from your walls to the bottom to the water surface to your steps, it also has smart obstacle avoidance, giving you the reliability cleaning that does not get stuck. So if you've got toys and other things in the pool, or you got custom lighting, this thing is going to avoid it. But it's going to give you a 2-inch clearance, so it means it's going to get right up and close to it and clean around it. This utilizes cutting-edge fusion detection technology to give you a real 3D structure with light. This thing sends out pulses like sonar. It is absolutely cool when it comes to the equipment that is built into this. So again, if you're getting the latest and greatest beyond today, this thing is advanced. With this technology, it maps and graphs your pool to give you the entire customized experience that when you're connected to the app, you're going to be able to select specific zones for cleaning. So, and on those zones, you're going to get the optimal zoning and adaptive cleaning route. So you can customize the areas that you want this robot to be able to clean thoroughly. And best of all, you can also poolside dock this with the remote control to recover your unit. The Dreame Z1 Pro with LiFi remote controller raised the bar when it came to setting the next technology when it comes to cleaning your pool. Change your lifestyle, get into the new.
So
and
check
keep
this.
it simple with
You
their
get the
app and the
LiFi
remote
controller.
You're going to
It is
absolutely love it.
as easy as pressing that little play right there, the start stop. So let's just say we want to go left. Now we're going to go straight. Change position. After it's done cleaning the pool, the first thing that we're going to do, there is an option on here that has a poolside retrieve. Let's go ahead and push this button right here. Right. Just like that. Let's go ahead and show you guys our basket full of the debris. But first, let's take a look at this nice glossy mirror next level clean pool. Oh, yeah. Doesn't that look delicious? I'd say it did not just a good job, but it probably did the best job that I've seen. This thing is phenomenal. Picked up the sediment and the silt. You guys looking for an awesome product? Give this thing a try.